In this video, I'll explain the side effect and importance of truck dispatching business that no one tells you. Welcome back to Road to Success with Atif. In this video, I'll explain you starting a new truck dispatching business in 2026. Starting a truck dispatching business is good if you want to, if you have a skill, if you can sell anything to anyone, if you have a confidence that you can do. Before starting this business, you must know some important things. In my recent experience, I call almost more than 3000 carrier, but out of which one carrier thinking about to start work with us, getting our dispatch services. Out of 3000, there is a lot of cold call I make. So in my opinion, if you want to start your business, you are very well in sales, you are very well, and you can work under high pressure. The main reason the carrier don't want to work with the dispatch companies is that they get a lot of scam in the recent 3 to 5 years. When this business came to Asian countries, a lot of people call and the carrier receive dozen of call per day, so they are irritated, they are bothered, and they don't want dispatch services. They think that they are a scammer because they scammed in the recent few years. And the other thing is that they can work by himself. Someone hired dispatcher who work for them in house on site, and someone find their loads by himself, because they know that if we want dispatch services, we give a percentage to the dispatch company. That's why they don't need dispatch services. That's why they don't willing to work with the dispatch company. If you are confident that you can improve, you can sell your services, and if you are confident that you can motivate a customer within a month, you can do that. But if you are not, you can first learn some skill from some dispatch companies, like in sales and like in dispatching, then you start your work independently. uh, or another thing that I mentioned here, that if you want to start your business, you must be persistent, patience for the first 3 months. Maybe your all of money gone, and maybe you don't grab a single client in first 3 months. So keeping in your mind, you maybe lost all of your money because you buy load boards, you buy VPN, you buy a room or office. To grab one customer in 1 month, you can earn a handsome amount of money, and in a good percentage. If you are charging 5 to 6%, but this is not enough. They can, and if your services are not good, if you are fresher, if you are beginner, so it affects, and maybe the client leave you soon after 1 or 2 weeks. So in my opinion, if you want to start your business and truck dispatching, you must learn about it. You can fully understand about this business, and then you start, then you invest your money on it. Otherwise, you can just waste your money. In this video, I'll explain about the side effect of the truck dispatching business that no one tells you before. I hope you learn a lot more about this truck dispatching business, and you are aware to start investing in this business. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.